Here's how to add header in Wix.com. Header is this whole top of your site. We have menu, title, and search bar. We automatically have this one, but to edit, just right-click. For example, the menu bar, we have Manage Menu option, Navigate button to move it around. You can edit color for it and layout. If you wanted to add a page that can be seen in your header, clicking in Manage Menu option will open Site Pages and Menu. Simply click Add Page. We're choosing from the ready-made pages showing projects. Click Add Page to confirm once more, and now it's on your headers menu. If you choose to edit the site name for your page, right-click on it and there will be options. Edit text, get ideas, animations, and even add a link. We're clicking on the edit text. We have text settings here. We can choose to italicize, bold, underline, and even font style and size can be customized. Everything in the header can be customized. And that is how you add header in Wix.com.